Hello viewers, my name is Mr.Adebanjo and I want to welcome you to another video still on parallel geometry, whereby we talk about parallel lines and the angles that could be formed on parallel lines and how we can use it to solve problems. In our last video, we solved one problem on parallel lines, and this is the second question we are going to be solving on the parallel lines. So if you have not watched that video, please go back and watch it before you watch this video. Now, you look at the parallel line. I told you that anytime you are given question on parallel line, first of all, identify the parallel line given to you. Then identify the line of transversal before you can make attempt of solving the question. Of course, now you agree with me that you can see that there is arrow on this line, and there is also arrow on this line. That means those are the two parallel lines involved. Then you can see that this line cut across those two lines. That means that line is a line of transversal. Then also that means all angles will be formed. Angle is formed here, angle is formed here, angle is formed as Z and Y. Then another angle is also formed as X here. We have to find angle X, Y, Z. Then if that should be the case now, we are going to be using the angles on parallel lines and angles at a point to solve this problem. Reason being that we can find this angle X first. We are given that the angle that is here is 312 degrees. We know that for this angle to complete angle at a point, that means this angle here, angle S here, need to be found so that we can have angle at a point. If you don't know that, go back to our previous video on the line geometry. You will know what angle at a point is all about. It means that angle X here plus angle 312 degrees will give us 360 degrees, raising angles at a point, because angle at a point are equal to 360 degrees. So angle X plus angle 312 here will give us 360 degrees, angles at a point. Then from there, you can find our X by removing 312 from 360 degrees, and that will give us 48 degrees. So that means angle X here is 48 degrees. And if that should be the case now, there's a relationship between this angle X and angle Y. There's a relation between angle X and angle Y. And this angle S here and angle Y, there's a relation between them. What's the relationship? We talk about corresponding angle in the parallel lines. Angle Y and angle Z are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are equal. And I've explained how we can get corresponding angle in when we are explaining parallel lines. So if you have not watched it, please go back and watch it. So angle Y and angle S are corresponding angles. So and corresponding angles are equal. That means angle Y is also what, 48 degrees. And if angle Y is 48 degrees, that means we can find angle X, angle Z rather, angle Z, and angle Z and angle Y are both on a straight line. They are on this straight line. So that means the addition will give us what, 180 degrees. Angle Y plus angle Z will give us 180 degrees, raising angles on a straight line. We have already also talked about angle on a straight line in a couple of videos back. So if you want to know more, watch that video. Then if our Y is 48 degrees, then we can find our Z by saying Z equals to 180 minus 48 degrees, and our Z will be equals to 132 degrees. So please that the solution to that question. More videos are coming on the parallel geometry, and if you understand it, please comment on the videos, like it, share the videos, and we'll see you in the next video. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to the video, to our channel, so that you can receive update notification when else we post another video. Thank you and God bless.